Hi, this is Mr. Leo, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the student point of view of joining a Zoom meeting in which the teacher has required authentication. That means a student must sign into a Zoom meeting using their West Genesee Google account. I'm here on Google Classroom. I'm going to launch the meeting. And if I blink too fast here, it's just going to start to connect me to the meeting through the join the meeting function. In this case, however, it's stopping because the meeting is for authorized attendees only. You have to sign in first. So I'm going to sign in to join. Now, just to note, I've already done this once, so it remembers my sign-in information. And if you do this once, you may have to create a Zoom account first using your West Genesee email address. And once you do so after the first time, it will just sign you in with your West Genesee Google account. So let me click sign in to join. Notice the sign in with Google button is on the right-hand side of the screen. That is what we want to choose. And again, because I've already created an account, it remembered me. You may be prompted to create a Zoom account with your West Genesee email address first. So let me just select the account, type in the password. And it will start to connect. If you get this far and it is not connecting, I would encourage you to start over. And once you're logged in once, it should just connect you automatically. But in this case, it didn't keep me connecting in that spinning connecting mode for too long. And it's now put me in the waiting room where the teacher is now going to admit me to the meeting. There we are. We're able to enter the meeting. And again, just to recap what we did, I'm going to leave this meeting. I'm going to log out. And again, it's the sign in with Google function that you're looking for. And if it's your first time, once again, just to reiterate, you want to use your West Genesee account. You'll go through the steps to put in your West Genesee email and password. And once you've done so successfully, you should, the next time you do it, see your name when you sign in with Google. You simply click on it, enter your password, and you should be able to join the meeting. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.